Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying our online teaching sessions. In this video, we will do revision of EVS lesson number 2, A Snake Charmer's Story. So let's get started.
Chapter 2 Snake Charmer Story. Students, in our previous sessions, we learned that Kalbelias is the name given to the community of snake charmers. The work of the Kalbelias is to catch snakes and entertain people by playing the bean. What they do is they catch snakes and they play the bean so that people are entertained by it. The two sharp long teeth of the snakes that are poisonous are called fangs. Now, not all snakes have these fangs. Only the poisonous snakes have these two sharp long teeth and they are called fangs. We learned that snake charmers move from village to village carrying their bamboo baskets. Students, these snake charmers do not stay in one place. They go from one village to another with their bamboo baskets so that they can earn more money. Next, snakes swallow their prey whole because they do not have the teeth to chew it. We learnt previously that snakes do not have teeth, so they swallow their prey whole. Snakes are treasure of snake charmers. Certainly, snakes are very important to snake charmers. Otherwise, they wouldn't be able to earn money. Next, the fangs of the snakes are hollow. When they bite, the poison enters the person's body through these fangs. Students, these two long sharp teeth of the snakes are empty from inside. So, when the snake bites a person, the poison enters through these fangs into the person's body. Now, the medicine for snake bite is made from the snake's poison itself. It is available in all government hospitals. Students, as mentioned here, to treat a snake bite, the medicine that is made from the snake's poison itself. And it is also available in all the government hospitals. The government has made a law for not keeping snakes at home. Students, it is strictly not allowed to keep snakes as pets at home. Snake charmers, also known as the Kalbelias, started entertaining people with their Kalbelia dance. Students, these Kalbelias have also started to entertain people with a dance called the Kalbelia dance. This Kalbelia dance is one of the famous folk dances of Rajasthan. It is inspired by the movements of snakes, which means that many of the movements of the dance are similar to the movements of the snakes. We also learned a very interesting thing, which is snakes are considered as farmers' friends because they eat rats in the fields and they protect the crops from these rats. Students, wherever any rat enters the fields, these snakes they eat them up, so the crops in the fields remain safe. Students, we also learned that there are many different kinds of snakes that are found in our country. But out of all of them, only 4 types of snakes are poisonous. They are cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper. Students, we learned that there are many different type of communities whose livelihood depend on animals such as the milkmen, the shepherds, the Tongavalas, the Madaris and so on. Which means that a lot of people have their daily income with the help of these animals. Well, I'm sure you could recall all that we have learned in our previous sessions. Go through this once again so that you can understand this chapter better. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.